Good day everyone, I am Justin Vega from BS at English 3 and today let's talk about the basic concept about technology. First, let's define technology. Technology refers to a product of human imaginations transformed into an effective tools that is beneficial for the present time. Let's say for example the pencils transform into electronic gadgets for more effective educational purposes. In the existence of technology, ICT literacy is become a must because we are engaging in the digital world. We're communicating to other people using different communication tools and we are integrating informations. So we have to become literate in terms of technology, in terms of the use of technology to avoid compromising our self or our personal information. It is also allow us to connect in internet. Internet is giving us privilege to connect in different at any given situation or any given point that it is a massive network of networks. It is a networking infrastructures that give connectivity to millions of computer all over the world. World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee to for graphical environment inside the computers. So the user are allows to access, view, and view different documents inside the World Wide Web because it is free. We are able to see and the different information input in this World Wide Web. The ability to access the internet is called web access because we can take it advantage for the student for him is or her to search different educational resources effective for his lesson. So it depends on the students on how he or she going to take advantage the use of web. So, in the existence of technology, there are different multimedia exist at the same time. So, multimedia sites become effective to give pleasure to the users. And also, it is beneficial for the study because with the use of these different media tools, we are able to search different learning materials for the students. He or she can take advantage of it at the same time because he can search for the specific lesson posted by different content creators or educators so that he can have the prior knowledge for the lessons in the next day to come. These are the basics concept about technology. I hope you learned something about it. That would be all. Thank you very much.